In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft SQL to n8n. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. Before we dive into the technical details, let's first discuss what n8n is. n8n is an open-source workflow automation tool that allows you to connect various applications, services, and databases to create automated workflows. Connecting Microsoft SQL to n8n opens up a world of possibilities for managing your data more efficiently. First, ensure that you have both n8n and Microsoft SQL set up and running. For this tutorial, we're assuming that you already have the Microsoft SQL Server installed and have access to it. If you don't have n8n set up yet, you can install it by following the official documentation on their website. Once you have n8n up and running, open up your n8n dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. You should see a blank workflow space where you can start adding nodes. Now, let's add a new node that will connect to your Microsoft SQL database. To do this, click on the plus button, which will open up the node selection menu. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find Microsoft SQL. Once you see it, go ahead and click to add it to your workflow. After adding the Microsoft SQL node, you'll need to authenticate your connection. Click on the node, and you'll notice that you have several fields you need to fill out. The first one is the database field. Here, enter the name of your database that you want to connect to. Next, you'll see fields for your host, port, user, and password. The host is typically your server's IP address or hostname, and the default port for Microsoft SQL is usually 1433, unless you've changed it during your setup. Enter your username and password here. Make sure you double-check for any typos to avoid connectivity issues. After filling in these details, there's a test button you should definitely click. This button will try to establish a connection to your SQL database. It's a good way to ensure everything is set up correctly before proceeding. If the test is successful, you'll receive a confirmation message. Great job! Now you're ready to start using Microsoft SQL in your n8n workflows. With the connection established, you can choose to execute various operations like running queries. You might want to configure the node for the specific operation you're looking to perform. For example, if you want to run a select statement, you would just write your SQL query in the respective field. Alternatively, you can also set up triggers within n8n that respond to certain events, allowing you to automate tasks based on database changes or user inputs. Once you're done configuring the node, make sure to save your workflow. You can either execute it immediately to see how it performs, or schedule it to run at a later time if your workflow requires it. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Microsoft SQL to n8n. This opens up a wide array of opportunities for automating your data processes and creating seamless workflows. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider liking and subscribing. Stay tuned for more informative content and tutorials. Until next time, happy automating!